Hello friends, myself Jadav Suvarna from Kekewa College Pimpers. Today I will explain the pH metric. First of all, pH is a unit of measure which describe the degree of acidity or alkalinity, means basic or a solution. It is measured on a scale 0 to 14. pH scale it is 0 to 40. The formal definition of pH is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion activity. Therefore, the formula of pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus. Then pH values. The pH value of a substance is directly related to the ratio of hydrogen ion and hydroxy ion concentration. If the hydrogen ion concentration is higher than OH, the material is acidic. If the OH concentration is higher than H+, the material is basic. The scale of pH value is 7. pH is a neutral, then greater than 7 is acidic and less than 7 is a basic. Then next is the scale of pH. The pH scale corresponds to the concentration of hydrogen ions. If you take the exponent of the hydrated ion concentrations and remove the negative sign, you have the pH of solution. For example, pure water H plus ion concentration is 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 molar. Therefore, the pH would then be 7. The addition of acid to water increases the concentration of hydrogen ion and reduces the concentration of hydroxyl ion. The addition of base would increase the concentration of hydroxyl ion and decrease the concentration of hydrogen ion. Then next point is acids and base. Which effect are occur in acid and base to the pH? An acid can be defined as a proton donor, a chemical that increases the concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution. A base can be defined as a proton acceptor, a chemical that reduces the concentration of hydrogen ion in solution. The next point is the pH measurement. A pH measurement system consists of three parts. First is pH measuring electrode, second is a reference electron, and last one is a high input meter. The pH measuring electrode is a hydrogen ion sensitive glass bulb. Then the reference electron output does not vary with the activity of hydrogen ion. Then pH meter. A sample is placed in a cup and the glass probe at the end of the retractable arm is placed in it. The probe is connected to the main box. There are two electrodes inside the probe that measure voltage. One is contained in a liquid with fixed pH. The other measures the acidity of the sample through the amount of H plus ion. Okay, thank you.